Let's start by putting up walls. Connect pieces of styrofoam to make a cozy corner. Cover the surface with printed sheets of wallpaper. Has this mysterious shadow always been here? Put sheets of wood on the floor. Glue the edges carefully. This room is a blank slate for our interior designers. Adding wallpaper and flooring made it look better already. Mark pieces on a sheet of thick cardboard. Snap, and they're ready. Coraline will be happy to have a vanity like this. Attach the upper lid and the front panel. Now the drawers can open. Make legs out of 4 wooden sticks. Glue them to the bottom. Cover the attachment points with foam paper. The mirror will go on the back. Mix a light pink shade and paint some sections. The drawers and the frame will be beige. Add beads. Pink is best. Coraline bought these metal handles at the flea market. This unique vanity table stomped away. Hey, where are you going? Oh, just to the corner of the room. Now Coraline has a place to doll up. Let's get a few pieces ready. Build a wardrobe. It's actually really easy. Paint the outside to look like wood. And paint the inside pink. This simple wardrobe will look great in Coraline's room. Now let's make a chest. Put glue on the edges and make a box. Cover the attachment points with foam paper. We'll use these circles next. Make cuts. Now they'll be able to cover the corners. Paint the chest dark brown. And make the corners and the lid metallic. Make the metal shine. This clasp will keep the box shut. Make the letter C out of wire. The monogram goes on the front of the box. What an unusual chest! How old is it? It seems ancient. What's inside? Get some pressed cardboard. What are we gonna make? Apply hot glue and connect a big rectangle with low sides along the edges. This is the base of a bed. Make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time to break out the chopsticks. Mark lines and cut diagonal strips. Glue the sticks to each corner. Put the second level on top. Beads go on the tops of the poles. Paint everything purple. Use light lace as trim. Glue patterned fabric to cardboard. That's going to be the top of the bed. The canopy is also made out of lace. Satin and foam plastic combine to make a soft mattress. Add a pillow. That looks so cute! Attach ribbon to a piece of blue velour. This blanket will keep you cozy all night long. Coraline really loves her bed. LaLiLu Craft worked hard to make the bed that Coraline and our viewers would like. Here it is! Hello, worm! Let's shape this clay into a rose lampshade. Make a spiral out of a wire and bend the edge. Put the lampshade into it. Attach the lamp to the base. Paint the base metallic. There's a light bulb inside. The lamp is hanging over the bed. Now Coraline can read scary bedtime stories. Put a long bead in a cube of light clay. Set up a crystal on top. What a stylish lamp! Paint the base a metallic shade. This cute nightlight will keep scary dreams away. Split a wooden stick in half. Trim it and make a rectangular frame. Which picture should we choose? This one will fit. Bend beads to make a base. This metal is definitely pretty old. Make a dragonfly out of foam paper, wings, a body, and a head. Apply bronze paint. Let the pieces dry. Now put them on a fishing line. A garland of dragonflies will look amazing right over the bed. This little circle transforms into an oval. A little more. We can make a rug out of this. Now secure the edge in the middle. And make a spiral. Hot glue each turn down. Weave a braid. It'll go around the edge. The oval goes in the middle. Leave one section empty. What a cute rug! It makes the room look so cozy. Whoa, look at all this wood! Make a window frame. Now put the skewers in a few rows. Put smaller sticks in the middle. Paint everything purple. Put on some clear plastic. Yay, the window is ready! We can see something beautiful on the other side. Make curtains out of thin tulle. Bend the fabric and secure the hem on one side. Put a wooden stick through it. Decorate the ends with blue rhinestones. Gather up a piece of lace. It'll cover the curtain rod and make the curtains look even prettier. LaLiLu Craft totally aced the window remodeling process. Now tie the tulle with lace ribbons. Let's make a shelf out of thick cardboard. Glue the vertical pieces together. There's a drawer underneath. Make a few more shelves. Paint it to look like red wood. Add a handle, and that's it. This shelf goes right in the corner. It's got an adorable toy octopus on it. Cut lots of circles out of glittery foam paper. Almost done. Put decorative safety pins inside. Now connect the pieces together. What a cute bouquet! Make a wire ring. Attach each piece one by one. This big crystal ball goes right in the middle. Attach it using a bead and a loop. This chandelier will look amazing in here. It's shining warm light around the room. LaLiLu Craft did an amazing job. We've made all of Coraline's dreams come true. She's always wanted a big soft bed. If she needs to fix her hair, she has a vanity right there. And all her lamps make sure the room is well lit and not spooky at all. But what's in this ancient chest? And why is this scary shadow reaching for her bed?